Hey guys, welcome back. So today, as you can see, today's menu, box braids with curls. So I took a poll on my Instagram on what my next hairstyle should be, or what my next hairstyle should be, and 83% of people said box braids. So I'm gonna do some jumbo knotless box braids with curls on the end, and I hope you guys enjoy. All right, you guys, so I am wearing my Ivy Rose Beauty bonnet silk. Yes, keeps my hair nice and protected throughout the day as I'm sleeping, whatever the case may be. If you don't have silk pillowcases, a silk bonnet is definitely a perfect alternative. Okay, now my hair, I washed it and I combed it out, and I literally just put it in one braid. So I'm definitely gonna need to maybe blow it out a little. Still feels a little damp, and this was like 2 days ago. So that just goes to show you how slow my hair dries. I'm going purple, so I have some color correction going on right now. I'm doing the waiting process and not trying to make all my hair fall out. This brush is literally golden. You see how easily? Come on now, because these naps is here, I promise you. Honestly feel like that is good enough. Wine is always necessary. Always. So I'm gonna do a zigzag part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start by just trying to, and I'm using, okay, Ivy Rose Beauty Precision Comb. Go get that. I really just like to break it in half a little, just so that I can kind of see even sides. And you see, I'm not gonna do it super tight, so I can just pull out of it. And I'm doing zigzag parts, so. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this thing up tight over here. Okay, go and double secure that, and that is my part. Now I'm just gonna really just section each, like what I'm gonna do. So bang. Alright, so this is gonna be my front two braids. So this is my back braid. I'm just going to section that off. Now, I'm section off the braid on top of here. And then this is just going to be two, which I will break up later. Okay, so I'm going to start with the bottom. Ooh! The naps back here. Lord, that kitchen is stressed. As I can see, my part is not all the way straight. But guess what? I don't care. So bang. Bang. I'm gonna grab a piece of here. Me and my hand get tired quick. Alright, so this is the last one for this side. So that's going to be 6 on each side. 12 braid, which is normal for jumbo. It's usually around 12 braids. So me personally, I like to touch my hair a lot, and I don't like the feeling of products when I'm cleaning my hair, because I don't want to feel like I have to wash my hands every time I touch my hair. So I don't really put a lot, and honestly, if you wanted the bottoms to be a lot neater, you would definitely add more product. But for me, I'd rather not.
Two hours later.
My braids is in. I'm gonna curl the ends, but while I got the water percolating, I'm gonna tend to my edges, and I'm gonna be using Ivy Rose Beauty Edge Control, and we also have these cute little edge brushes, so check it out. Like that. How bomb is my edge control? Okay, you really just gotta mold them babies how you want them, really. Okay, so I am just gonna lay my baby hairs down with the Ivy Rose head wraps. I'm gonna take these perm rods and wrap this edges on. Wrap the ends around. Alright.
What the fuck?
Fail. Take 2. Okay.
5 minutes later.
Alright, so I have all my braids, 12 in perm rods. So now I'm literally just going to in my water, and I'm literally just going to dip them just like this. All of them. The last one, okay? A little bit. All right, and then just unravel it. All right, and that is what the ends look like. Cheers to a job well done. Okay. Let's see what these baby hairs look like. Alright. I'm too excited though. Okay? Calm down, girl. Calm down. Calm down, girl. me twice.
Another one.